All right, turning to weather this Tuesday afternoon, when folks step outside for their lunch break, they'll be met with a lot of sunshine, but also a lot of wind too, Ann.
Yeah, pretty breezy, especially if you're walking into the wind today. Doesn't feel so great. We've got wind gusts anywhere from 35 close to 50 miles per hour out there today. So it will be a breezy day. We've got some sunshine, some clouds really across northern Iowa. That's where we're stuck under the cloud cover here as we head into the lunch hour. The further into central and southern Iowa you are, the more blue sky you will see. Winds again are out of the north and west with gusts today 40 to 45 miles per hour. Some of those stronger wind gusts focus up across northwest Iowa. You can see where it feels a lot chillier, where we're stuck under the cloud cover with the strong winds. We've got wind chill values making it feel like below 40 degrees up in Algona, Mason City, Fort Dodge, Carroll, Atlantic as well. So we will continue to kind of spread in the chillier temperatures and the chillier feels like temperatures out there as we head into Wednesday and Thursday as well as Friday. There's the cloud cover. Again, it's mainly just focused up across northern and north central Iowa. So I think a lot of us into central, southern Iowa, we're going to keep the sunshine for the majority of the day today. Tonight, clouds will build in at times as we head into the evening hours tonight, and then tomorrow I think will feature more clouds than sunshine, and it'll be a little bit of a different story here than what we saw today. Let's talk about the winds. They're going to stay elevated through the afternoon and evening hours tonight. We go into the day on Wednesday. We've got another strong push of gusts to about 35 to 40 miles per hour across the state throughout Wednesday. So tomorrow, as far as the winds are concerned, pretty close to what we have today. Then we go into Thursday. We're also going to keep the winds pretty strong, still gusting between about 30 to 40 miles per hour all the way through Thursday afternoon. Tonight and the afternoon hours stay quiet. Extra clouds will build in after sunset tonight. We go into your Wednesday morning, some brief sunshine, and then extra clouds building in by 9-10 o'clock tomorrow. You'll notice a few snow showers that start to develop up across northwestern and north central Iowa. We could see a few snowflakes, a few flurries kind of blowing in the wind here tomorrow. Not looking at much in the way of accumulation. Maybe you get a little bit of a skiff of snow out on some grassy surfaces or on rooftops, but I think most of those snow showers are going to be focused up across north central and northern Iowa. Clouds will linger, and then we'll kind of clear things out late Wednesday into early Thursday. But tomorrow could see a few snowflakes there, and then it's going to start to feel like the teens and low 20s there by early Thursday morning. So some colder air definitely filtering in for the rest of the week. Today, 40s and 50s tonight. Back down to near freezing, some extra clouds rolling in overnight tonight, and then tomorrow a lot colder. 30s up across northern Iowa, low 40s for central and southern Iowa. 8-day forecast keeps it windy all the way through Thursday. Low 40s Friday, Saturday, back up to near 50 by Sunday. Right now it's looking dry through the weekend.